Oh, this might be a good one. There we go. Spaniel ears arise from the field. With glee abandon. With gleeful even abandon. And she's not going to do it again now. Because she's a brat. Holly! Hello! Go and do something else, I'm wasting my video. She's like, no. I'm just going to poddle along this road and be really boring. Where's she gone? Oh, there she is. I love watching her ears.
I know.
Where's she gone now? There. That's so funny. What are you doing, Holly dog?
Finding out where she is.
Holly! She's a clever girl. I don't think the farm would like you doing that, baby girl.
Just created another tram
Look,
line.
yes, there's Holly Park. We didn't see that, did we?
Right.
Pestilential puppy.